So one of the questions I've been asked so far is it hard to ride a motorcycle? Well, like most answers, it's a little more complicated than a yes or no answer. In the short term, or the easiest answer, I would say yes, it is easy to ride one. And I'm talking about just doing some regular street riding. Of course, I'm not talking about being no motorcycle racer, because that would, of course, require much more skill. But to just be riding around town and, doing some daily commuting, I think yes, it is. To get the basic concepts down, of shifting, braking, cornering, all that. In that aspect, yeah, it is pretty easy to ride a motorcycle. The biggest thing you have to get over is fear, of course. You can see hundreds of videos on YouTube when people first learn how to ride a motorcycle and they end up crashing into something because somehow they totally forget how to stop a motorcycle once they get on it and once that fear sets in. The clutch concept is a little weird if you've never dealt with the clutch before or manual transmission. It's a little easier to pick up if you know how to drive a standard transmission car. But I've been riding since I haven't been riding, but I learned how to ride when I was really young. So picking up that concept was real easy because I didn't really know how automatic transmissions worked or anything like that. So it was real easy for me to pick up. But as an adult, it might be a little tougher to learn, especially if you've only used automatic transmissions your whole life. But what else? Riding defensive. So you ride a motorcycle. You don't drive a motorcycle. So you don't operate it the same you would a car. There's different things you got to pay attention to. For example, what side of the lane do you want to be on? You can be on the right, the middle of the lane, or the left side of the lane. Right now, I'm obviously in the right side. And it's good to ride on the outside of the lane because, as you can see, there's this streak in the middle. That's because cars, of course, can't drive in that middle side of the lane. The cars, they're going to be on either, the tires of the car is going to be on either side of this middle stripe right here. So this middle stripe has much more dirt and oil than the outside of the lane. And especially you'll see it when you come to stops at intersections and stoplights. There's a whole bunch of oil in those places. Get some downshifting in. Then also one thing you do on motorcycles is you're supposed to accelerate through curves. Now don't take that as you need to speed through it, but you need to be applying power to the rear wheel when you're taking curves. That's what they told me in my motorcycle safety class. I don't know the exact science behind it, but that's what they said to do. That's a little different from a car. From a car, I mean, you got ABS and everything in cars, so braking in a corner, and you got 4 points of contact, so traction isn't as big as a concern as it is on a motorcycle. But let's see. Other than that, there's just different things you got to pay attention to. So like what I was saying with the difference between driving a car and riding a motorcycle, another thing is when you take a corner, you need to look to where you're going. Of course, you can do that in a car as well, but it's not really taught the same. On a motorcycle, you need to look the direction you're turning because where the head goes, the body will follow. So as I take this turn here, I'm looking to point in the turn that I want to hit. My head's already turned as I'm going into this thing. And then, like I said, the biggest thing, I see him. Do he see me? Make a little noise, get people's attention out here. My downshifting is terrible. That's a skill I need to pick up. So like I said, I mean, the overall answer to ride a motorcycle, safely operated, no, that's not hard. But then again, I'm answering that perspective from somebody who already knew how to ride one. Now, when I was young, I don't remember really being scared to get on it. The fear is the biggest thing you got to get over, though. Because if you scared, it's going to be a little tough. It's going to be a lot of tough. Let's see, where am I? I don't even know where I'm at. But that's all right. We having fun. Little kids out here almost killed themselves. Y'all see that? Hope they stay safe. Oh, young man. Oh, Jesus. Damn children. But yeah, that's about all I got. It's Easter Sunday, so for you religious folks out there, happy Easter. Y'all be blessed. For those who ain't religious, don't take no offense to me wishing you a happy Easter either. Y'all have a happy Easter too. But that's all Master Yoshi got for y'all. Signing out. Peace.